In this video, we're going to look at the fastest way to make 10 grand from ChatGPT through YouTube. Let's begin. This is the new age, people, and content creation has become easier with AI tools, and it's easier than ever. You can easily make about $3 per 1,000 views, and well, you can easily make 10 grand once your channel takes off, but consistency is key. YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, has given people a platform to showcase their talents and share their interests with the world, and AdSense is like the reward for the hard work. Now let's talk about money. ChatGPT with the internet as the brain can make some good video scripts, and then there is Veed.io that helps you make content with no investment, less time, and well, it's easy. With the emergence of new technologies like ChatGPT and Veed.io, creating engaging videos has become easier than ever. In this video essay, we'll take a deep dive into how to make a YouTube video using ChatGPT and Veed.io, and how you can make your video stand out from the crowd. I mean, not sponsored, but Veed.io is a powerful video editing platform that allows you to create stunning videos quickly and easily. It has an intuitive user interface and a wide range of features including text overlay, audio editing, and color correction. Combining Veed.io with ChatGPT allows you to generate text and visuals that you can use in your video. The first step in creating a video for YouTube using ChatGPT and Veed.io. First, go to ChatGPT to make a script for your YouTube channel. You can use a prompt to give ChatGPT an idea of what you want to create. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to generate a script just for about anything, maybe cooking, and once ChatGPT generates the script, you can edit it to make it more engaging and personal. This process will save you time and effort since you won't have to write a script from scratch. Creating a YouTube video can be a daunting task, especially if you're not sure where to start. However, with the help of modern technology, the process has become more accessible and efficient. One such technology that can aid in creating a YouTube video is ChatGPT. It's a language model that can generate human-like text-based prompts given to it. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can save time and effort when creating a script for your YouTube video. You'll need to have an idea of what kind of video you want to create. Your channel needs a personality, and you can make videos on just about anything, or just upload random videos. This can be anything from a cooking video to a vlog or tutorial. Once you have an idea, you can use a prompt to give ChatGPT an idea of what you want to create. For example, if you want to create a cooking video, you could give ChatGPT a prompt such as how to make a delicious pasta dish. ChatGPT will generate a script for you in the blink of an eye. The generated script will not be perfect. It's likely that it would need some editing to make it more engaging and personal. Adding your personality is important too. People feel passion through a video, and so this is where you can get creative and add your own style to the script. You can also add any specific details that you want to include in the video. By editing the generated script, you can make it more unique and tailored to your specific needs. ChatGPT will save you a lot of time and effort. It's a productivity tool after all. Writing a script from scratch can be time-consuming and can require a lot of effort. By using ChatGPT, you can write a script for you in a matter of minutes, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of creating your YouTube video. There are times when you don't feel motivated enough to write well. Just linger around in ChatGPT and it can help you avoid writer's block. Writer's block is a common issue that many content creators face, and it can be frustrating and demotivating. With ChatGPT, you don't have to worry about coming up with ideas for your script since the language model can generate them for you. But keep in mind that ChatGPT isn't perfect and sometimes makes scripts with wrong information and sometimes even irrelevant and nonsensical text. It's important to carefully review and edit the generated script to ensure that it's coherent and makes sense. Once you have your script, the next step is to create your video and add some voiceovers. You can also add an AI voice or maybe do it yourself. Next, you can use Veed.io to create the visuals for your video. You can use text overlays to display the script generated by ChatGPT on the screen. You can also use Veed.io's stock footage library to add images and videos that complement your script. For example, if you're making a video about cooking, you could use stock footage of a kitchen to add context to your script. After generating a script using ChatGPT, the next step is to create visuals that will accompany the script in your YouTube video. This is where Veed.io comes in. Veed.io is a powerful video editing platform that offers a range of features that can help you create engaging visuals for your video. One of the most useful features of Veed.io is its text overlay tool. This tool allows you to add text to your video, which is perfect for displaying the script generated by ChatGPT on the screen. You can choose from a range of fonts and colors to make the text stand out, and you can adjust the size and position of the text to suit your needs. In addition to text overlays, Veed.io offers a range of other tools that can help you create engaging visuals for your video. For example, you can use v.io stock footage library to add images and videos that complement your script. If you're making a video about cooking, for example, you could use stock footage of a kitchen to add context to your script. v.io stock footage library is extensive with thousands of high-quality videos and images to choose from. You can search for footage by keyword or browse through the categories to find footage that suits your needs. Once you've found the footage you want to use, you can drag and drop into your video timeline and adjust its duration to fit your needs. Another useful tool in v.io is the ability to add transitions between clips. Transitions can help to make your video flow more smoothly and can also add visual interest. v.io offers a range of transition effects to choose from, including fades, wipes, and zooms. One of the key advantages of using v.io is that it's incredibly user-friendly. Even if you have no experience with video editing, you can quickly learn how to use v.io to create engaging and professional-looking videos. The platform offers a range of tutorials and guides to help you get started, and its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and use. Overall, using v.io to create visuals for your YouTube video can help to bring your script to life and make your video more engaging and interesting for your audience. By combining the power of ChatGPT script generation with v.io's editing tools, you can create high-quality videos quickly and easily, without the need for extensive technical expertise or expensive equipment. Now that you're ready, and once you have your script and visuals ready, it's time to start editing. You can use Veed's intuitive video editor to add transitions, music, and effects to your video. You can also use the audio editor to add voiceovers or music to your video. Veed's color correction tool allows you to adjust the colors in the video, giving it a professional look and feel. One of the most important things to keep in mind when creating a YouTube video using ChatGPT and v.io is to make it engaging and interesting. You can do this by using humor, storytelling, or by showcasing your personality. YouTube is a platform where people come to be entertained, so make sure your video provides value and is fun to watch. Creating engaging and interesting content is crucial when making a YouTube video using ChatGPT and v.io. It's important to remember that viewers come to YouTube for entertainment and value. To keep them engaged, you can incorporate different elements like humor, storytelling, or showcasing your personality. By doing so, you can build a connection with your audience and make your video more relatable. However, creating engaging content is not just about being entertaining, it's also about providing value to your viewers. If your video is informative, educational, or provides a solution to a problem, viewers are more likely to stick around and even share your video with others. In addition, it's important to keep your video visually appealing and easy to follow so viewers don't lose interest. Overall, the key to creating a successful YouTube video using ChatGPT and v.io is to strike a balance between entertainment and value. The main aspect of creating a successful YouTube video is to optimize it for search engines. This means using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will make it easier for people to find your video when they search for related topics on YouTube. Lastly, creating a YouTube video using ChatGPT and v.io is a great way to produce high-quality content quickly and easily. By using ChatGPT to generate scripts and v.io to create visuals, you can save time and effort and create engaging videos that stand out from the crowd. Remember to keep your video interesting, optimize it for search engines, and most importantly, have fun.